Hi everyone, welcome to Peacockway. Welcome back to my channel. In today's project, we'll be doing this watercolor project. It's from this field watercolor book, and this is 173 card from Sarah Renee Clark. Uh, I'm going to be using the colors from that and doing the project, and then I'm using um, watercolor paints, that is Angora. So I'm going to spray the page and then I'm going to add those colors in that. I will not add all the colors, but some colors from that. So if you don't have this watercolor paint, it's fine. You can use any watercolor paints. And now I'm going to blend all these colors. So I'm adding a little bit of the third color. I'm not making it too dark, but it's going to be like softer. So this project I made little bit different than the normal. I'm going very slowly and changing the projects, each one of them. So the beginner's project will be simple, and then slowly I'm going to add things and make it interesting. um, Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So now I'm going to dry this, then I'll go for the next step. Now I'm going to use acrylic paint, and then I'm going to use this stencil which is from All and Create. So I'm going to put everything in the description box below. So I'm just going to use those square shapes from that. So I'm just adding wherever I want that shape. So now I keep adding because I wanted certain areas to be together. So now it is perfect. So now I'm going to use like a black pen, and then I'm going to outline it. So now I'm using different color of pen and doing the doodling. These are mostly like acrylic paint marker. So I'm adding this in different areas. Now I'm going to dry this, and then I'm going to add the stamp, which is from Wikibooten. I like this stamp very much, so it's perfect for the background. Then I'm adding in different areas, so that makes it more interesting. Then I wanted like a half flower, so I'm using this paper and then trying to stamp on that. Still, so sometimes using those acrylic block doesn't help. So now I'm going to um, dry this. Then I'm going to add this stamp, um, which is from Inka Dinka Do. It's a very old stamp. Then I'm adding the smaller stamp from that. I'm going to add the smallest one in the bottom. Now I'm going to dry this and then use this gold mica paint. And I'm going to add as a dots um, with the pen. The gold touch is always nice thing to have because it brightens the page. Then with this, I'm going to finish the project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. So, I'm going to see you guys in the next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.